Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I thought it'd be fun to do a quick first impression on the new Birthday Shenanigans highlighter from Kristen Leigh Cosmetics. Last year for their birthday, they came out with the Birthday Bash highlighter, which I purchased, and it is super, super beautiful. This one has like a shift of red and green and gold, and I really, really love this highlight for a like multi-chrome look. I've actually done a test in the past of this compared to the Kaleidos multi-chrome highlighter, so I'll leave that in the cards here if you want to see that. But today we're going to be testing out the new one, and they did send this over as PR along with some instructions on how to use it, because I guess it's supposed to be a little bit more on the flaky side. So I'll just pull it out real quick. So here, oh my goodness, the blindingness here is Birthday Shenanigans. Goodness gracious, I'm shook. That looks so pretty. Even back here, it's still doing it. Wow, that's intense. Okay, my understanding, it's a little bit more of a flaky layer on top, and the best way to apply it would either be to use like a dense brush, not a fluffy highlighting brush, or you could use your fingers to be able to like really press it in. So I figure on one side I'll use my fingers, and then on the other side I'm gonna use like a very tiny soft little blending brush so I can like get it right in there and really blend it out. And this is small, so I won't get it all over. See how I ended up liking it more. It also is supposed to have a transparent base so that it'll work on a lot of skin tones. So without any further blabbering, we'll just jump. Oh my goodness. Okay, I should have showed you that. The flakiness is real. I was not ready for that. Let me just pick some up and do a swatch. So there's what it looks like just picking it up. I'm thinking that I might really like this for the inner corner, but it might be a little bit too sparkly for me to like on my face. Okay, that's really pretty. The shift is beautiful. It goes from like blue, purple, I see a little bit of pink, I see green. I feel like I can see the Birthday Shenanigans. Like this reminds me of, I don't know, if you were like having like a party or just a reason to have like this kind of highlighter on your cheeks. I don't know that I'm gonna love it. I don't know if it's my personal style, but we're gonna try it out. And I think it would be really, really pretty on the inner corner with a glitter glue. But as I'm doing this, like, I don't know if you can tell, like flakes are going everywhere. So might be a little messy. I'm zooming you guys in just a little bit more so that you can really see what's going on. I'm gonna take that Sigma Soft Blend number 10 brush, and I'm just going to very lightly kind of dip in the area where I kind of already removed like the really big flakes, but I mean, it just looks like it's flaky in general. Okay. Right here. I mean, it does not look bad with this brush. It's just, I don't think it's my personal taste. Like the Birthday Bash highlight is super, super smooth on the skin. So I think I definitely prefer that formula. I feel like right here I can see the purple and the green. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more with my finger. I'm rubbing a little bit on the back of my hand just to kind of like smooth it out a little bit. Oh my goodness. Okay. I have some regrets. I do. I mean, if you like a like flaky, sparkly highlight, the shift is pretty, but for me, like, I just cannot ever see applying that to my cheekbones again. This side's a little softer, but I'm not about that life. I mean, I don't even mind like glittery highlights. Like I like the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. I can make that work, but it's a little too much for me. But I think it could still potentially be really beautiful on the inner corner. So I'm gonna grab my NYX glitter primer. Just gonna throw a little on right here. All right, let's see. I mean, honestly, on the inner corner, it does look super, super reflective and pretty cool. So I don't mind it there. I could see using it there in the future, but I definitely 110% prefer the Birthday Bash highlighter. I mean, I can just show you. Here's what it looks like swatched out. It's just a completely different texture. It's very, very smooth. It just has like an intense shift. Can't get over my face right now. I feel like I need to like wash this off immediately because I just don't like it. I don't. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do that and then like see if I can put a little bit more concealer on. and do the birthday bash with the brush on this side, because I'm just, it's not me. It's not me. So that's pretty much my finished face featuring the Birthday Shenanigans highlighter. Not my favorite product ever. I like it on the inner corner, but I don't know if it's worth it to buy only for the inner corner. I guess it really just depends on your makeup taste and style. But I hope this video was helpful, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.